The production techniques of the Nanjing Yunjin brocade boast a history of over 1,500 years and has also been selected as an exclusive tribute to China's royal families for over 700 years. The craftsmanship of Yunjin brocade has culminated among all fabric techniques in China. The Nanjing Yunjin brocade was named for its beautiful patterns reminiscent of clouds in the sky, especially in its gold weaving, color weaving, and peacock feather weaving products. The wooden loom zhuanghua technique to produce the brocade has long been irreplaceable, even with the development of modern machines. Yunjin brocade was born in Nanjing, capital to 6 ancient dynasties, as well as 10 kingdoms in China. The Nanjing Yunjin brocade involves over 100 procedures in production. Its main procedures include pattern designing. Pattern designing of Yunjin brocade is to produce design papers according to the actual requirements of Yunjin products. In advance of the pattern designing, the draft image of the brocade has to be created. Design papers have small squares formed by vertical and horizontal lines. Draft images on the design paper are then enlarged. The outlines are marked, and enlarged images are arranged as required. Tiaohua jieben, or the creation of source card. Tiaohua jieben is to use silk and cotton threads to create weaving programs by adopting ancient ways of keeping records through creating knots on threads. The actual process is just like creating computer software. The more complex and colorful the patterns are, the more information needs to be stored, and the longer the huaben or the source card will be. The longest huaben can be as long as 170 meters and it weighs over 60 kilograms. Song Yingxin, a scientist in the Ming Dynasty, praised the Yunjin workers as having the most crafty hands in the world. The preparation of raw materials. The main material of Yunjin brocade is silk. The dye used mainly comes from natural plants. Also used in Yunjin production are some gold threads and peacock feather threads. Gold is made into small gold leaves, placed between 2 wujing papers, and hammered into foil to make gold threads. Peacock feather are made into threads. Through interlacing, warping, and wefting, the preparation for the production materials is finally completed. The setup of looms. The Dahua wooden loom is usually 5.6 meters long, 1.4 meters wide, and 4 meters tall. To set up the loom, one should assemble its parts according to the types, specifications, and other requirements of different Yunjin brocade, so that it can meet the actual needs. The process also includes many steps such as placing spindles, tao toe, su si, reed drawing in, zhuan jiao zhu, looping, and chuan kou. Every step of the process requires high accuracy and preciseness. Weaving. While weaving, the zhuanghua worker sitting on the top of the loom is responsible for lifting the warp. This step is just like typing in the keyboard, while the worker sitting down at the loom is in charge of weaving the weft, using a variety of colorful gold threads and peacock feather threads. This is really like the computer screen. Even if they cooperate very well, the two weavers can only weave 5 centimeters of Yunjin brocade per day. There exist many secret techniques in the whole weaving process of a Yunjin brocade. Tongjing Duanwei means that the warp thread goes completely through, while the weft thread is made up of different sections woven with colorful threads. Wahua Panzhi is to weave wefts in dozens of colors horizontally. Through this technique, every pattern can achieve a different color. As you can see in this brocade, named Little Child climbing a branch of a tree, the belly band and pants worn by the child have a wide array of different colors. And in this picture, the beautiful flowers up and down have their own special unique colors. Yunjin Zhuanhua can produce different fabric grounds on one piece of brocade, such as plain weave, twill weave, and satin weave. Wendao Zhibianjing refers to using weave knife to weft flat gold thread so that it will not get twisted in production. Paddling Jiaozhu is to control Fanzi and Zhangzi so as to weave patterns. Customized weaving is a unique technique used to produce dragon gowns for emperors. After the material is woven, a well-fit gown can be made easily as long as workers weave along the cutting pattern lines. All those mentioned above have witnessed imagination and creativity of human beings. These techniques can replicate ancient silk relics unearthed. This is the duplication of Sushan Danyi, a silk dress made over 2,000 years ago. It only weighs 49.5 grams, 0.5 grams heavier than the genuine one. While weaving, Zhuanhua workers have to keep in mind dozens of mnemonic rhymes so that they can cooperate with each other very well by singing the rhymes. The mattress and cushions of the Emperor's dragon seat, the columns in the Buddha temple, the costumes that the Buddha wears, and the covers of the Buddha scripts in the Sutra building are all made from Yunjin brocade. The demand from the royal culture has provided a huge cultural space for the development of the craftsmanship of Nanjing Yunjin brocade. Clothes made of Yunjin brocade have also become personal favorites among celebrities, ranging from the mayors attending the conference of the world's famous historical and cultural cities, and the hosts or hostess of the TV gala for the Spring Festival. In recent years, the municipal government of Nanjing has strengthened its protection over the craftsmanship of Nanjing Yunjin brocade. Lots of activities are held, such as the international seminars, the academic workshops, and the publications for the Yunjin brocade. It has also cultivated many Yunjin brocade talents, which makes it possible that the craftsmanship of Yunjin brocade can be passed down in generations and remain to be a valuable treasure for all mankind.